Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with your favorite girl Dami Tani. Today we'll be making a one pot chicken stir fry pasta. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. Let's get right into it. So I have here my spaghetti, uncooked spaghetti of course. I have 3/4 of a pack here. I have some chicken breast already sliced and cleaned up. I have here a stir fry mix that contains carrots, pepper, green, yellow, red, lettuce, cabbage. I have some oil here. You can use vegetable oil or groundnut oil. I have a seasoning mix here that I did by myself. I have some salt here, and I also have some black pepper here, whole black pepper. So now I'm going to place my pan on fire, and I'm going to go in with some boiling water. I'm going to go in with a lot of boiling water because I want to boil the spaghetti. I just want to parboil the spaghetti. So I'm going to go in with lots of boiling water so that it feels as though the spaghetti is swimming in the water. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I've just gone in with the old jug of boiling water, and then I'm going to go in with some salt to taste. And then after the salt, I'm going to go in with some groundnut oil. The reason why I'm going in with some groundnut oil at this point is to ensure that my spaghetti does not stick together. You know, my intention is just to parboil the spaghetti, and I don't want them to stick together because of the starch contained in the spaghetti. So yeah, I'm going to go in with some oil. You can use your vegetable oil or any oil that is available to you. You can use olive oil, any oil at all is fine. So now that I've gone in with my oil, I'm going to go in with my spaghetti. Some people like to break their spaghetti, but for this recipe I wouldn't be breaking my spaghetti. I just like it whole. You know, when you have to twirl it around the fork for so long before you get everything in your mouth. Yeah, so I'm just going to use my, I don't know what this is called, but anyway, my picker. I'm going to use it to push in the spaghetti so that all of the spaghetti is inside the boiling water and I don't have any ends sticking out. And then after this, I'm just going to cover up to allow to boil for some time, for some minutes. While this is boiling, I'm going to work on my chicken breast. I put a pan on fire. I'm going to go in with some oil also, very little oil, not so much, because my intention is not to deep fry the chicken breast. It's always very easy to cook chicken breast. So yes, I'm going to go in with some oil, and then while the oil is getting hot, of course medium heat, not too hot. While the oil is getting hot, I'm going to season, like marinate my chicken breast. You can also do this like way before, you know, you start cooking, so that the seasoning can go into the chicken breast properly, but I'm just doing it at this instant. If you check my description box below, you'll see what I used to achieve this seasoning mix. It had cayenne pepper, garlic, ginger and some other seasoning. So you can just freestyle it anyhow you like yours. You know, if you don't like garlic in yours, you can take out the garlic and replace with something else that you like. Just freestyle with it. Cooking is fun when you are creative. So now I'm mixing in my seasoning with my chicken breast, and after mixing for a while and ensuring that everything goes in, I'm going to place them on my pan gently. You can see that the oil is fairly hot, so I'm going to put in my chicken breast, already seasoned chicken breast, and allow it to cook in the oil under low heat, low to medium heat. So while I'm placing this, you can see the meat is already sizzling. You have to ensure that you keep turning this at intervals, just so that the chicken breast doesn't get burnt. So now that I'm doing this now, and I've completed putting my chicken breast, so I'm going to go in with my black pepper and then turn the chicken and leave for some minutes to cook again. You can tell when it's cooked. Now it's ready, and then I'm taking it out of the pan. I'm going to go in with another pan at this point, and then go in with some oil, very little oil also. This is to saute my stir fry mix. My stir fry mix contains lots of stuff. I bought it in a store. I didn't chop the vegetables up myself. So if you want something similar, you can check a supermarket around you, or preferably you can just do the mix yourself. So I'm going to go in with all of the stir fry mix at this point. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my seasoning mix. I have like the rest of my seasoning mix. I'm going to go in with it while stirring the mix stir fry together. Yeah, now I'm going in with my seasoning mix. I'm going to stir everything together. After some minutes of stirring on under medium heat, your stir fry mix should be ready. I like it crunchy, so I'm not going to leave it to stay for so long. If you don't like it crunchy, you might want to leave it for longer, but I like it crunchy, so that's it. Now I'm going back to my spaghetti, and it's already parboiled. It's ready. So I'm just going to do a little stirring together, and then I'm going to sieve it. I'll sieve out the hot water and run cold water on the spaghetti. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with my mixed stir fry under low heat. I'm going to go in my mixed stir fry into my spaghetti, and then I'm also going to go in with my chicken breast, already cooked chicken breast. At this point, I'll go in my already cooked chicken breast. After going in with my chicken breast, I'm going to mix everything together. You can see how beautiful and colorful it looks already. You can make this for your little toddler at home, or if they have started eating solids, I mean like maybe your 3-year-old. This is a very, very creative meal for them to eat, and it also contains all the required nutrients. So you don't have to worry about if the meal is balanced or not, because it does contain all the required nutrients, and your toddler is going to enjoy this kind of meal. So yeah, you can prepare this for them because it is really colorful, and you know how kids love colors, things that are colorful and very, very attractive. So I'm going to mix my spaghetti, the mixed stir fry, and my chicken breast together. I'm going to do a thorough mix so that everything is evenly distributed. Everything is looking yummy, nice already, ready to eat. And then I'm just going to, still under low heat, I'm going to leave it for a bit to steam up, so that all the flavors can just intertwine. Yeah, I've done that steaming up, and just look at this colorful one pot pasta. Oh my god, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to eat this. Like, really, it looks amazing. It looks really, really amazing. So I'm just going to give it a quick mix together again, and then my one pot chicken pasta is ready to be eaten. Like, seriously ready to be eaten. So I'm going to plate it now. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly like, comment, try out the recipe, and leave a comment letting me know how it turned out, and also share with your friends and family. Anybody can be interested. It's really, really a simple recipe, so anybody can recreate this. You can also recreate with any other protein of your choice. If you don't like chicken, you can use mushroom, you can use mackerel, you can use beef, you can use anything you like, and you can even decide to omit the protein part entirely. Perhaps maybe you're a vegetarian and you don't eat chicken, you don't eat meat or fish. Yeah, you can just keep out that part and then just do the stir fry one pot pasta. If you did try this, please kindly let me know. Thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy watching. Bye.